So to sign into the app, all you need to do is come to the website and then you can simply click on the Go to Dashboard button. Now, if you're on a mobile device, it should direct you to either the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, where you can then download the actual app version of RiskFusion. But if not, simply click on the button and it will take you to the web dashboard, okay? Let this load up and then you will see the login page. So of course, once you've actually activated your account, you've paid, you can then log into your account. So let's just log in now. And then you can simply click on the sign in button. And then there you go, you now have access to your account. So you should land on the dashboard and you'll land on the personal account type. And then if you want to log out, you simply just come down here to the bottom and you click the log out button. Sometimes this will be closed. You simply just click on this button in here. Or if you're on a mobile device, you can just simply go up to the top right hand corner, click on the drop down menu, and then you can log out from there.